Mathematicians have been trying to detect and quantify gerrymandering using what's known as outlier analysis. So they compare the current districting plan to a baseline constructed from other valid plans for the same state to see whether it's an outlier. And if the plan is an extreme outlier compared to this baseline, then they can flag it as gerrymandering. But a main problem is that the number of other districting plans for a state is so enormous that there's no hope of looking at all of them. So instead, mathematicians use what's known as random sampling to generate a whole bunch of random districting plans. And now, if these random samples are good enough and random enough, then they make a good baseline for comparison. So at a high level, what mathematicians are doing is using random sampling methods, like Markov chains, for instance, to generate a large number of possible districting plans for a state. And then they can compare the current districting plan to these random samples to tell whether it's an outlier or not.